Well, hello, my peeps. I hate to give names out on a video, but I had three high school kids that didn't do it. But I put a 0 in the grading program so you can see the 0. Email me. I also had three grade school kids. I don't know if you sent it and I accidentally erased it or you sent it to the wrong place by mistake. I apologize for saying your names, but I don't know how else to reach you. Sudoku, Tomaszewski, and Mangiapane. So email me today, and then I'll work out something with you. Also, if something happens, your internet goes down for 2-3 days. Your little brother's cold, so he sits on your computer and breaks it. Your cat eats your computer. Just email me. We can work it out. Okay. And by the way, a tip. While you're watching the videos, you might want to take notes. Actually, physically take notes with a piece of paper and a pencil. It helps you memorize things. Now, the first thing we're going to talk about. The 6 trig functions. Usually I have a pop quiz. But I can't because I'm not coming to your house. Unless your parents want to make me dinner. So, what I'm going to do is this. For extra credit, what you have to do is write these down and 6 different times by Wednesday night have your parents test you on the memorization of it. So here's the rules. You must go to your parent or guardian and ask them to ask you what sign. Oh, it's opposite over hypotenuse without looking at it. You must have at least a 2-hour break before each time you ask them. You have to Wednesday night. If you do that, I'm having a very tiny quiz due Wednesday night. At the bottom, I will ask you to write down the day and time of each time you did it. And if you have 6 of them, I will add 12 points to your score. Plus 12. That's extra credit. Whoops. Then I will just add 12. The Wednesday, I will give the quiz tomorrow at the end of tomorrow's video, and it will have 2 problems. So here's the rule: 6 times by Wednesday at 8. It's due Wednesday. Oh, by the way, the school did a survey, and the kids are asking that we always make it due in the afternoon, late afternoon. So all my items will be due at 8 o'clock in the future. So this is due Wednesday at 8. Must, oh my Lord. Must write the times and the day that they tested you, and it must have a 2-hour break. Okay, one of the questions is going to be looking like this problem, and the other one is going to be a story problem dealing with logs. Where the unknown is in the power. And we did it together. Now, some of you on the test, I started off, if you look, my 7th hour kind of had a lot of scribbling on it because some of you did this by a way that I've never had someone do it before. And that is, they changed it to log base 3 of 20. And I don't really like that, but I decided to accept it this time if you showed work. What I'm going to say is on Wednesday's quiz, the one I give you tomorrow, you're going to have to use log base 10. So that has solved that problem. But some of you did things I kind of wonder, did you go on the computer and kind of ask it to do it for you? I hope not. Because you did things really that didn't make sense. Because on this problem, all you have to do is go log 16 divided by log 3. That's it. That's the change of base formula. So log base 10, it's not shown 16 or log 3. Some of you did things that was like 18 times harder, and some of you did it wrong. So I graded very easily on this set of problems. because it's new. But I was awful weird what I saw from some of you. But, so this would be 2.5. And then this one, you just take the log of both sides. And then bring the power out and then divide by log of 3. So you have 20 log, or log of 20, divided by log of 3, and I get 2.7 something. Now, on the story problem from the quiz, some of you rounded this number here. So you had a number here and then 1 plus this number raised to, I think it was 96 or 98, something like that, 96. Some of you rounded this to 1.01. You can't do that when you're working with small numbers. You should have used 1.0133333. So some of you lost $4,000. That's a lot of money to lose. So, just leave this number in the calculator and work with it. These calculators can hold these numbers. You don't have to get rid of it, round it, then use the rounded number. That's bad. Keep this number. Now, I didn't take any points off if you showed your work. I will in the future. So tomorrow, Wednesday's quiz, the one I put on the video tomorrow, is just going to have 2 problems. A story problem where the unknown is in the power, and one that looks like this. I'm going to make this 2 videos. This was pretty short. Sorry, I didn't want to do 2 videos today because the second video is going to be somewhat short. Anyways, thank you.